let me help. I can't be mad at you on better my life, yeah, get how I'm living. Low-key, I'm done with this music, they don't feel how I'm feeling. I got niggas won't kill me, bro, be careful, drug dealing. Free my brother, I wish I can get him out of that building. Lonely mom would think about you, I get down in my feelings. Miss my mama, I wish I was
What's good, YouTube? Hold up. What's good, YouTube? Y'all, we back with another video. As y'all can see right now, we is at the gas station, finna get some gas. And by the title, I am finna give y'all a POV drive. So, y'all, make sure y'all hit the subscribe button. We got back-to-back videos coming back-to-back for y'all. Y'all watching, make sure y'all hit the subscribe button. Look at him over there looking. That's why I hate recording. People just be looking at you like you stupid or some shit. Yeah, bitch, nigga, you see me recording. Oh, somebody shooting. Somebody blowing that bitch. They done shot their rifle. Yeah, we still haven't got the exhaust tip fixed, man. I ain't gonna lie, I really haven't been worrying about this car on some shit. I just been driving it, putting gas in it and driving it. Y'all hear that? They shooting over there. Just don't let them bitches come this way, we good. I'm gonna put 50 in here, maybe they'll fill it up. I'm just gonna put 50 in here. For the day, 50 gonna be enough. Let's see how much they gave us. And then y'all, I did pump the fuel, pump gas with no fucking water car not running, cause boy, some of y'all just be doing too much. It's all good. All my fucking hands smell like gas and shit now. Let's go ahead and get into it with this POV drive. Let me pull my wallet up, card up, put the seatbelt on. Cause y'all be on my ass about that shit too. Put that seatbelt on. Man, I hate how the seatbelt be flipping and shit. That bitch be, I don't know. This shit uncomfortable like a bitch. It just be flipping on its own. I don't know how that be happening, but yeah. This POV drive is chill, cruising through the city type shit. Ain't no twisting, spinning every turn, every block. You know what I'm saying? We just chilling. It's 9 o'clock. So you know what I'm saying? A little night POV drive. And down here, where I'm from, the last car meet they had, which was Saturday, and that was like 2 days ago. They end up towing 27 cars, if I'm not mistaken. But they did tow 27 cars that night, and that's why I did not go to that car meet, because I just had a feeling that the police was not fucking playing. I'm glad I didn't go. I just be trying to stay out the way, trying to make this money on some shit. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, y'all, with that being said, man, make sure y'all hit the subscribe button. Y'all can see I'm dropping back to back. You know what I'm saying? Love y'all boys, man. Fuck with y'all. Y'all show mad support, for real. Mad love. Fuck with y'all. Y'all fuck with me. You know what I'm saying? Let's just keep that going. Let's go ahead and get to that 5K, to that 10K. We're gonna keep growing for that. As y'all can see, it didn't give me a full tank, but my miles per gallon is 17, and I got 239 miles. So I'm gonna put on the performance page. I might end up putting in sport mode. It depends on what area I'm by. Right now I'm not even trying to fuck with no police tonight. I'm not trying to get no ticket. I'm not trying to do none of that bullshit. Actually, I really think I got a ticket I gotta pay anyway. I think it's he bumped it down to a seatbelt ticket. So I mean, you know what I'm saying? I was speeding. I think I was going 60 in the 45. He gave me a seatbelt. So you know what I'm saying? I might as well pay that so I won't have no fucking so I won't have no warrant out for a seatbelt ticket. It only costs like $40-50. Yesterday I did record a little bit. I got a video. I might drop this one before that one. I really don't know. I might drop this one like, I don't know. We'll see. Y'all see, but it don't matter what day I drop it. Y'all gotta subscribe. Looking at it. But yeah, y'all, man. The plans is still getting a new vehicle to the channel. Like I said, I don't know when, but you know, all I can do is just keep grinding and pray and just, you know what I'm saying, keep my faith in God, believe in God, and you know what I'm saying, it will happen. You just gotta stay patient and wait on your turn. And like that's why I be trying to tell a lot of people, I don't be understanding how people be hating on another man's success or when they come up, because you know, I ain't got no type of hate or jealousy in my body on another nigga. You know what I'm saying? If I see you winning, you know what I'm saying? Like, it's just that main time. You just gotta be patient, wait on your turn. You know what I'm saying? Don't be hating on the next nigga. You hate, you blocking your blessing. So, I don't know who this go for out there, but man, if y'all hating, bro, stop hating. Talk to God, my nigga, and just, you know what I'm saying? Just be patient, my nigga. Just be patient, wait on your turn, stop hating on the next nigga, because I promise you, if you do all that extra ass, whole ass shit, man, you is blocking your blessings, and you just gonna continue to be a hating ass nigga and not get nothing out of it. So, I'm trying to put y'all on some game, man. A lot of people know, a lot of people don't. You know what I'm saying? I'm blessed to say that I know buku stuff that I know. All the stuff that I know, I'm only 19. So yeah, man, I am finna turn 20 on August 20th. That's like 2 months from here. But yes, sir, man. Make sure y'all hit the subscribe button. Really don't even know what to say. I guess I'm just gonna let the camera roll. POV, no talking. I guess whatever y'all want to see. And I am thinking about making this video long. I'm not even gonna cap, because the longest video I ever had, I think it was like 20 minutes. POV drive with 10 to 12 minutes. I might make it way longer than that. I mean, I don't know who's gonna watch this. You know what I'm saying? It might be boring just seeing me drive my car. I'm not doing nothing exciting, but hey, you never know, bro. Hey, I don't care if it's a 5 to 6 minute video. I recommend you to post it. I don't care what type of video it is. You still putting out content, showing you staying consistent. You know what I'm saying? So that's the number one thing to become successful, is staying consistent. It don't matter if you lose motivation, if you just lose hope. Consistent will get you there. You ain't gotta feel motivated to be doing anything, but if you really want it and you just stay consistent, it's gonna come, man. You know what I'm saying? Hey, y'all see y'all YouTubers, y'all favorite YouTubers y'all watching, bro. The same niggas y'all be watching, I be watching. You know what I'm saying? The YouTube Studio app showed me like all my subscribers be watching the same YouTube I be watching. You know what I'm saying? Look, man, I be looking how them niggas be living and how they living and what kind of cars they can get, the clothes, the jewelry, and everything, man. Look, y'all can do it too, and I know I can do it. If they can do it, I know I can. You know what I'm saying? So look, like I say, just stay prayed up, put them videos out there each and every day. Each and every video, you getting better and better at it. Don't be thinking you ain't got no camera for it and your content is ass and you don't know how to edit it. Bro, I'm telling you, each and every video you upload on this app, on this YouTube, you learn from it. So you get better and better at it each and every day. That's why mostly every day I try to pick up this camera and record, and then I learn like my edits. Like when I look at my video, I be saying, man, I should have did this, I should have did that. And sometimes my favorite YouTubers I watch, I look through their videos, I'm like, oh, I like how they edit, so let me try to do that. Well, that's how you learn, bro. It ain't no copying, no nigga. You ain't no dick ride. You ain't none of that, man. You learn from other people, and then you put it in your lifestyle, and you do it, and then, you know what I'm saying, you get better and better at everything you do. You know what I'm saying? Oh, it's 9/11. Look at that. I need to get me some windshield wiper, bro. Y'all see that? That should be bothering me. And the tie sensor light be bothering me, man. I got a lot of stuff that I gotta do on this car, bro. I just been really been having the time to do it, but we're gonna do it. We're gonna get it right, or I might just trade it in how it is now, and hopefully they just pay it off, because that's all I need them to do is just to pay it off, so I can be able to give me what I want for real. Y'all see that? What the fuck is that? It's just like a bright light in the middle of the sky, and it don't look like no airplane, or it don't look like no helicopter, none of that. It's just a bright light in the middle of the. That's weird. What the fuck? Y'all see this? Man, look like it's getting lower and lower now. It is getting low. Oh, that is that's a helicopter. My bad. That shit crazy. That shit crazy. We got so much shit going on in the world, and all this stuff you see on social media got you thinking a helicopter something else. Fuck, this world is crazy. All the stuff the government hiding from us, man, we'll never know what it is. So whatever I see in the fucking sky, shit, I'm automatic thinking it's some weird, on some other shit, some shit I never even seen before. I wanna hit this bitch so bad, but police be up and down this road. No cap. No cap. If y'all wanna buy the car, man, y'all hit me up, man. Car for sale. Bring me whatever I owe on it, you can have. And I think I only owe like 30 on it. Bring me 30, man. Bring me 30 or 35. I don't know for sure, but if you interested, just hit me up, and I'll let you know the exact price. But I know it's in the 30s for sure. For sure, it's in the 30s. Chill, y'all, man. I'm gonna cut the video out right here. I love y'all. Y'all stay blessed. Stay safe out there. Make sure y'all hit that subscribe button, like, and comment. Comment down below what kind of videos y'all would like to see. Whatever y'all tell me, I'm putting it out there. So, hey, whatever you want to see, I will put it out there for you. It's that simple. Love y'all. Y'all stay blessed, man. Hold on, y'all. I had to pick up the camera for this. I don't know if that's a CTS5 Blackwing, but man, that bitch sick. I think that's one of the V6s, but man, that be dumb.
V-Red's going too hard though.